Good day. The verse of the day is found in the book of Psalms. The Bible says, "When I consider thy heavens, the work of thy fingers, the moon and the stars, which thou hast ordained." Psalms 8, verse 3. The verse is part of a hymn and praise, a tribute to King David, reflecting on the majesty of God's creation and humanity's place within it. The psalmist gazed upon the vastness of the night sky, the heavens, the moon, and the stars, and marvel at the work of God's hands. The praise work of thy fingers suggests the delicate and intentional craftsmanship of the Creator, highlighting the intricate beauty and order of the universe. Two things. Number one, recognition of God's majesty. The psalmist acknowledges the grandeur of the cosmos as a testament of God's glory and power. The vastness and complexity to the universe serve as a backdrop to appreciate the Creator's infinite wisdom and authority. Number two, contemplation of human significance. In the subsequent verse, the psalmist questions, "What is man, that thou art mindful of him?" Despite the enormity of the universe, God is attentive to humanity. This reflects the biblical teaching that humans are created in God's image and are the pinnacle of His earthly creation, entrusted with stewardship over the earth. Psalms 8 verse 3 invites readers to reflect on the awe-inspiring creation of the universe and to recognize their own place within God's plan. It encourages humanity, gratitude, and a deeper appreciation for the creation, love, and care of humanity. Be blessed. Read the Bible, because the days is at hand.